So as we get closer to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, I went back to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra to get ready for the new one, right? And as I've been using this device for, off and on for about 2 years, oh man, let me give you my thoughts about the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And one of the reasons why you might want to hold on to this device going into 2022. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So let me tell you a story. Let's talk about the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, right? As we get hype for the new Samsung device and everybody talking about it, you might want to hold off. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is a great device. You have to remember, back in 2020, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra was most people's phone of the year. And since then, I'm finding nothing in 2021 that beats the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So Samsung tried to mimic a Note with the Galaxy S21 Ultra by having an optional pen and a case. And trust me, Galaxy Note fans was not hearing it. And they kept the Galaxy Note 20 Ultras, right? Because they know you have to have the pen inside of the device and you have to have the software to match. So the Galaxy S21 Ultra was not a true Galaxy Note. No way. Next, let's talk about this myth that phones are getting old and outdated. Look, Samsung is doing a great job with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. It's fully updated with the latest security patch. Not only that, but One UI 4.0 is coming to this device. So it's fully updated with the latest software. So don't believe in what people say that these phones are old and outdated. That's nonsense. Look, when people say that the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is old, all you have to do is one thing. All you have to do is one thing. Pull out the S Pen and say, who's your daddy, baby? Who is your daddy? Anytime somebody tell you that the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is an old and outdated device, pull out that S Pen and say, hey, find a device that in 2021 take a beat the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. A slab phone. Next, let's talk about 2-year contracts, right? And device payment plans. Think about this. Your 2-year device payment plan is almost up. And guess what's going to happen? The device is going to be fully paid off and your bill is going to go down. And so that's a good thing. This is one of the reasons why you might want to hold on to your Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, because it's going to be paid off. That's a good thing. Next is SD card support. You won't have that option on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So you got to think about this for a second. If you have a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra with 128 gigs or 256 gigs, and you have a 512 gigabyte SD card in here, and you have gigs of stuff on that SD card, what happened to all that stuff if you upgrade? Right? You pull the SD card out, but you got to put it in your computer and offload it. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has SD card support. So that might be something you might want to consider, holding on to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra because it has SD card support. Or you want to pay more for higher storage. Now, Samsung wouldn't mind charging you more for the Galaxy S22 Ultra for more storage. So if you're willing to pay, go ahead on and pay for the high storage. Look, I have almost every Galaxy Note from the first one to the latest one. I skipped the crappy one that Samsung tried to throw out there, but I have almost every Galaxy Note. And my 3 favorite Galaxy Notes is the Galaxy Note 9. Oh man, one of my favorite phones. Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. These devices is my favorite Galaxy Notes of all times, right? But the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra delivers best-in-class design with its beautiful all-boxy design. I really love the design of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The display, 6.9-inch 1440p dynamic AMOLED 120 Hz display of goodness, right? But I do want to mention 120 Hz is at 1080p. Best-in-class performance with the powerful 865 Plus processor and 12 gigs of RAM. best in class cameras, 108 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 12 megapixel telephoto in the rear, and a 10 megapixel camera in the front. And oh yeah, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra can shoot in 8K, baby. 8K, and in the front you can shoot 4K 60 frames per second. So that's what I'm talking about. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is still king, baby. They don't even have phones that shoot 8K right now in 2021. They took that feature away. So they took it away. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra still have it. No matter what people say about the Galaxy Note cameras, it's proof in the pudding, baby. It's proof in the pudding. Let me show you some camera samples and you be the judge for yourself. See, because here's what I do on this YouTube channel. I don't judge a camera. I let you be the judge. So check out this footage.
The Chosen.
Okay, so check this out, right? One of the major reasons why you buy a Galaxy Note is the S Pen. Not the S Pen that's in the device. Not the S Pen that you have to buy a case and you got to store it somewhere else and all this stuff like that. And look, the S Pen software is really unmatched like anything out there. So let me give you an example, right? How the software and the S Pen works together. Let's say if I have this on a tripod and I want to do a shot, right? A photo of a lot of people. Well, I got my S Pen and I could use my S Pen to take a photo, right? Well, I could take a video and a photo. And that's so great here, right? You could take video, photo, and that single shot, and I can use the S Pen and I can move to the next, to the next, to the next, and I can take photos and videos and everything else in between with the S Pen and S Pen software. But if I'm doing a PowerPoint presentation, and I have my device connected to a PowerPoint, I can use my S Pen as a pointer and I can press the button to go to the next slide. Now that's unmatched out there. You can't do that with no 9-note device. You do that with a Galaxy Note. So one of the standout features on the Galaxy Note and its own Galaxy S devices also is DeX, wireless DeX linked to Windows. It gives you a PC-like experience like no other, and it's really good. No doubt that that's one of Samsung's standout features of their Galaxy devices is DeX. I use DeX all the time and I will continue to use DeX, and Samsung is updating DeX and doing all kinds of things with DeX to improve it. So here's my conclusion. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is a fine-tuned device that doesn't suffer from that new release device. So you know what happens, right? A new device comes out, it's plagued with bugs. You got to wait for software updates to fix this and fix that. Well, guess what? The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will not have those issues because it's been fine-tuned with many updates to enhance the performance, enhance a lot of things about this device. So this device is very stable. You won't have those issues like you have on newer devices that come out that you got to wait for software updates to fix this and fix that. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has been primed and it will get software updates for the next couple of years. But you know what? With all that said, I'm still hype about the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And I know a lot of people is hype about that device. It has a beautiful build quality. It's definitely gonna be best in class. Look like Samsung is gonna go all out on the S22 Ultra. And I tell you, it don't matter if you got the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, the Galaxy S22 Ultra, it will fit your needs very well. I just wanted to have this conversation with you guys, give you guys my thoughts about the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Battery life has been very good on this device. It feels like a brand new phone. I got timely updates, so this device is fully updated. We got One UI 4.0 coming with this device. It has best in class cameras, best in class build quality. The display on here is just phenomenal. Everything about the Galaxy Note with the S Pen, the S Pen software, DeX, and everything else in between. It's a good phone, baby. It's a good phone. This is the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra in all its glory. Let's do this again. Who's your daddy, baby? See you guys on the next video. Peace.